Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can delete your Aramex account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Aramex app. And after opening the Aramex app, what you're going to do is tap on the My Account option on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner of your phone. And after tapping on it, then tap on your name, which is on the top right here. After tapping on it, there you will be able to see the option of delete my account under the save button right here. Tap on it. So after tapping on it, now you have to write down the country that you're from. So after typing down your country name, then you will be given various type of information to fill in. The first thing to do is choose your subcategory. I'm simply just going to choose the erasure of personal data. And then you have to type down your name. And after typing down your name, now you have to type down your email address. And after typing down your email address, now you have to type down the city that you are from. And after doing so, now type down your mobile number. So after adding down your phone number, you can type down the subject if you want, but you can skip the subject if you want. And then you have to type down the description of why you want to delete your account. So after writing down the description, you have to tap on I'm not a robot option right here. And then a small puzzle will be given to you. Simply solve it. After you've done that, all you have to do is tap on the submit option right here. So after doing all that, an email will be sent to you. Just like this one here, you can see Aramex said that your request has been received and you will be notified within 24 to 48 hours of assistance. So within few times, you will be getting another email and then your account will be deleted. And that is it. That is how you can delete your Aramex account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.